Welcome back to the podcast and hope you're well. Today, we're doing something a little different. I've got something in my hands that I've been working on for a while, and honestly, it's the guide I wish I had 35 years ago when I started DJing. It's called the DJ Booking Playbook 2026. Now, before you switch off thinking this is just another How to Mix episode, let me ask you a question. How much time did you spend this week chasing promoters? And how many DMs did you send that got left unread? And how often do you feel like you're the best kept secret in your city and you're just not getting booked? Now, if you're nodding your head, then this episode is for you. Because the reality is most DJs are stuck in a cycle of begging. They wait for the phone to ring, they rely on luck, and when they do get a gig, they don't know how to turn that into 3 more gigs. In this new playbook, I've broken down exactly how to aim for 1 to 3 new bookings every single month, not by being annoying or by spamming, but by positioning yourself so that promoters feel stupid not to book you. So today I'm going to walk you through the key chapters of this book and show you how we're going to fix your booking strategy for 2026. Okay, you ready to start? Let's get into it. So let's start with the foundation. And in chapter 1, I talk about 3 pillars of the bookable DJ. But the biggest killer I see and talk about is this in chapter 2, and it's called the ghost profile. Now, promoters don't book ghosts, they book DJs who look ready. I worked as night accreditation manager for Clockwork Orange for nearly 5 years, and I've seen the other side of the clipboard. When a promoter lands on your Instagram, they need to know 3 things in about 3 seconds flat. And they are, who are you? What do you sound like? And how do I book you? Now, in the playbook, I break down exactly how to audit your own bio. And I tell you exactly what to put in those pinned posts. Because if a promoter has to scroll past pictures of your cat or your dinner to find a video of you mixing, then you've already lost the gig. And the key takeaway from that chapter is that you need to position yourself as a no-brainer. In the book, I show you the exact before and after of a bio that converts lookers into bookers. Okay, moving on to chapter 3. This is where the magic happens. It's called your weekly booking routine. Now, most DJs fail because they're inconsistent. They go crazy promoting for 1 week and then disappear for a month. In the playbook, I give you a strict but simple schedule, and I tell you exactly what to do on a Monday, exactly what to post on a Wednesday, and how to engage on a Friday. It takes maybe an hour or 2 a week total, but if you follow the routine in chapter 3, then you're constantly on the radar of people who sign the checks. Then we go on to chapter 4, which is all about content. And listen to me closely when I say this. You do not need to be an influencer. You don't need to be dancing on TikTok, but what you do need is proof of your vibe. In the book, I explain the difference between content that gets likes and content that gets bookings. Now, there's a specific way to film your live clips. Portrait mode with a steady hand, capturing the crowd reaction. That is the killer shot. If you're just posting flyers of gigs where you're playing, then you're doing it wrong. And I've been saying this for a very long time. So I break down the 5 types of content that you need to rotate to prove that you can control a room. Now, you might be thinking, Paul, my profile looks great, but nobody's calling me. And that's where chapter 5 comes in. Outreach strategy that works. This is the part that everyone gets scared of. You don't want to be that guy sliding into DMs, and you're right, you shouldn't be that guy. You shouldn't be sending paragraphs of text about your life story. Promoters don't have time for that. In the playbook, I give you the exact scripts. I literally wrote the DM scripts myself and the email templates for you. And you just copy and paste, tweak and send. It's about being short, confident and offering value. And what are you actually sending them? Well, that's what chapter 6 is all about, the show reel. Now, a lot of you are sending SoundCloud links that are about an hour long and that people have to download before they can listen to. No one's got time for that. So stop it. Nobody's listening to that. In the book, I teach you how to build a 60 to 90 second show reel that acts as your shop window. So I tell you exactly what shots to include to make you look like a headline act, even if you're just starting out. And then we wrap up the book with internal work. So chapter 8 is about shifting you from a chaser to a magnet. It's about understanding that you are an asset to a venue, not a liability. And finally, my favorite chapter, the money chapter, chapter 11. Now, this is the chapter that will pay for the book 100 times over. It's called Charging What You're Worth. In this chapter, I share my strategy called the £50 Increment Rule. Now, it's the single best way to find out your true market value without ever risk losing a gig. I've used this for years to drive my fees up, and it works every time, I guarantee it. So look, there's so much in there. I've got checklists for your first 90 days, templates for your press kit, and guides on how to write your bio that isn't boring. And more importantly, does it come from first voice or third voice? The answer's in the book. This playbook is built on 35 years of experience as a DJ, as an artist accreditation manager for Clockwork Orange for 5 years, and everything else that I've been doing since then. Now, if you're serious about 2026 being your year, if you want to stop chasing and start attracting gigs, then you need to grab this book. So check the link below this video. And this week, if you're watching this, so today is Thursday, the 27th of November. If you're watching this between now and Tuesday, then you're going to get a special offer, a Black Friday offer to download the book for only £17. Now, if you get one gig from this, it's paid for itself over and over and over. So just imagine how many gigs that you could potentially get. All you got to do is spend £17. If you're buying this after, let's say, the beginning of December, then it's only £27. It's not a massive price to pay, is it? For a guide that's going to be able to push your bookings up in 2026. These are the sorts of investments you need to make in yourself if you believe that you've got what it takes. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below this video, or you can head to my Instagram page at Paul Hutchinson DJ and just send me a DM saying playbook, and I'll send you the link to purchase the book. The DJ Booking Playbook 2026 is here, and it's going to change the game for a lot of you. I'm so excited for this. Already had a load of sales this week as it's Black Friday, and I can't wait to hear from those of you that have bought it to tell me what you think about it. So there we go. That wraps up this week's episode. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back as normal next Thursday. Have a great week.